Good day, everyone. I'm going to show you the robotics project of CA.LL.EN Science and Technology High School named CA.LL.EN Flood Alarm using water level sensor interface with Arduino Uno. The main objective of this study is to create a flood alarm device that is capable of detecting the water level of places prone to floods in order to alarm the citizens residing in the affected area. The study focuses on the creation of an alarm system for detecting increase in floodwater level. The flood alarm device will be beneficial to the people who are residing in low-lying areas, flood-prone, and near water reservoirs, especially during typhoons or severe weather conditions. The device was tested at different heights, measured in millimeters, in each level to determine its accuracy to read the different water level and its ability to transmit the warning. The main objective of this study is to be able to create a device that is capable of detecting the water level of places prone to floods in order to alarm the citizens residing in the affected area. It is to test the functionality of the device. Also, it is to create a flood alarm device from affordable materials. There are three variables in the study. The materials that the researchers used are shown below. Procedure. Step 1. Gathering of needed materials. Step 2. Connecting the major parts such as water level sensor and Arduino Uno using jumper wires. Step 3. Designing of the device's code. And last, Step 4. Testing the functionality of the device. Data or observations. As shown in the graph, the severe level has 40 mm in height, resulting with a value of 618 and 600 beats of the buzzer per minute. As for the moderate, that has 33 mm in height, resulting with a value of 563 and beat 120 per minute. Lastly, the level of mild, with 3 mm of height, resulted with a value of 366 and did not trigger the buzzer enough for it to ring. It is concluded that CA.LL.EN Flood Alarm is an effective flood alarm system that could detect water levels in flood-prone areas. The researchers recommend adding a proximity sensor in order to enhance the accuracy level of the device and still be affordable to many. The researchers also recommend the government to invest in this device by using an ultrasonic sensor paired with Arduino Mega for a more advanced and accurate result.